Hello everyone. This video I'm going to show you how to open Lightning Web Component or Lightning Component files to enforce to open the files in a separate tab in Visual Studio Code. Whenever we are creating the Lightning Web Component or Lightning Components, one particular component have multiple files like HTML, JavaScript, and Meta XML file, or even the CSS file or SVG file, right? Let me go to my Visual Studio Code. Let me try to open the one of the Lightning Web Component. I am trying to open this HTML file. Let me try to open the JavaScript file. See, I'm getting keep on loading in the same tab instead of the separate tab, right? Either we need to double click or we need to edit. Then if we go to the controller file or if you want to open the XML file, then it's getting open in a separate tab. Either we need to double click or we need to edit. Then if you open the separate file, then it's getting open in a separate tabs. Let me go to the another component demo.html and let me try to open the controller file for the JavaScript. If you noticed, it will keep on opening in the same window instead of the separate tabs. If you want to open in the separate tab, either we need to double click, and if we clicking the HTML file, then it's getting open in the separate tab. Default in Visual Studio have one settings, so we need to untick the preview settings. For that, go to settings. Either here I can click the settings or go to the file and navigate to the preference settings or use the key shortcut called Control plus comma to go with the settings. Here, search preview. If you notice this workbench editor enable preview, untick this one. Then let me try to close all the windows. Let me try to open the HTML, JavaScript, and XML file in each separate tab. So to get these features, basically we need to untick the preview settings in the settings level. You need to untick to get this feature. If you let's open the settings JSON file. So this is the command basically to enforce to open the files in a separate tab in Visual Studio Code. Thank you.